from your shadow, dear. The sun will rise again for a new day. Breakfast with eggs, it's insane. How ambiguous it feels, baby, to be on top of the world with you. Don't get fooled, my love, you know, we're just passing through. Eternal or celestial, we made a pretty little mess of it all. It's crazy, I know, we love it so. Oh, before you go home, can you feel the fire, baby? This is more than what we asked for. This is more than what we asked for. Yeah, before you go home, can you feel the fire we are? This is more than we can handle. We are more than we can handle.
Howdy folks, Evan Lindy here. So no fancy editing or transitions, just some of my favorite frames from my Sweden trip. Now one thing I really did do well in Sweden was take my time with composition and lining up those perfect cinematically pleasing shots. Now for those who don't know, most of this footage was actually featured in my vlog series where I spent 35 days in Sweden. So if you haven't, definitely check out this playlist right here. I promise you won't regret it. I documented my whole trip, travels, and everything in between. Now before I wrap this one up, I just wanted to give a huge thank you and shout out to my Patreons because this whole trip wouldn't have been possible without you. Now if you're new here, be sure to like, subscribe, and stick around because I post 2 vlogs a week on this channel every Thursday and Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one.